From Sooner Standards, Proving It Works, Designing Test Cases, a complete grades 11 to 12, Level 2 Computer Science Unit for Oklahoma Standard L2.AP.PD.05. Students learn to develop a series of test cases covering typical, boundary, and edge/invalid inputs and use them to verify whether a program performs according to its written design specification. Inside, a full teacher guide with pacing, misconceptions, and a scoring rubric, plus a content lesson with built-in comprehension checkpoints, plus a 12-question assessment with answer key, group and individual activities, vocabulary puzzles, a family letter, and a certificate of achievement. That's 3 to 4 Daltons was of no prep instruction across 43 ready-to-implement pages. Find it at Sooner Standards on Teachers Pay Teachers.